Hey Gotians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. Today we will be covering three basic commands: sum, average and product. So let's start. Three black boxes indicate that we have to calculate the answers in these cells. Basic thing to understand is that you have to put equal sign before calculating anything on Microsoft Excel. We are supposed to sum the above four entities. One way of doing it is by clicking on first cell, clicking plus, second cell plus, third cell plus, fourth cell, and then press enter. You have got the answer 20. But what if there are multiple entities? For this, press equal sign again, write sum, brackets open, and select all entities, brackets closed, enter. You have got the answer. Other way of doing it is by manually typing the cell numbers. This cell number is B4 and this cell number is B7. So again, clicking on the cell, equal to sign, sum, brackets open, B4 colon B7, brackets closed, enter, and you have got the answer. But the easiest way is the previous way. Equal to sum, brackets open, select the range, brackets closed, enter. Similarly, for the average, equal to sign, average, brackets open, select the range, brackets closed, enter. Taking the product of these four entities, equal to product. Notice it has given you the option product here. So you can also double click on this option to select the product. Select these four entities, brackets closed, enter. Basic theme throughout the Excel will remain the same, that is putting the equal sign before calculating anything on Microsoft Excel. You have also observed that my answers font color is white and the background color is black, which means I already formatted my cells before starting, and we covered these things in the previous tutorials. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering some basic commands again, like isText, isNumber, maximum and minimum functions. But I would like to tell you people that I made a magical formula out of these basic commands. Finally, thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.